My dear child, start your day with this Jesus morning prayer. Dear Jesus, thank you for another beautiful morning. As I begin this day, I confess that waiting is not always easy. Sometimes I want answers immediately. Sometimes I want doors to open right away. But today I am choosing to trust your timing instead of my own. Teach me to be patient without losing hope. Teach me to be faithful even when I cannot see the outcome. Help me remember that every season has a purpose. Nothing in my life is wasted when it is placed in your hands. Lord, guide every step I take today. Protect me from making decisions based on fear. Fill my heart with peace that remains steady through every circumstance. Thank you for always being on time, even when I don't understand the process. I trust your heart because I know you love me perfectly. In your holy name, Amen. If you are trusting God's timing today, comment Amen. His timing is perfect.